Díoghuit agus fáilte arás. In this video we're going to look at some words and phrases to do with the beach, because I was on the beach there about a week ago and I decided to make a video on some useful words, phrases and sayings that you could use. So let's get started. Cois trá is at the seaside or on the beach. Cois trá. Cois farige is the same. It means at the seaside or by the sea. Cois farige. Chammuid an lá an trá. We spent the day on the beach. Chammuid an lá an trá. Is féidirling dul siúlóid cois farige. We can have a walk by the sea. Is féidirling dul siúlóid cois farige. Muir Bhreatain, St. George's Channel. Muir Bhreatain. Tá trána íomhna in Aca Láimhe. There are beautiful beaches nearby. Tá trána íomhna in Aca Láimhe. Tá trána áile ann feadh na mílte agus na mílte eile. There's beautiful beaches here for miles and miles. Tá trána áile ann feadh na mílte agus na mílte eile. Lurg Cusha, a footprint. Lurg Cusha. Gaineamh is sand. Gaineamh. Trá Gaineamh, sandy beach. Trá Gaineamh. Duach is a sand dune. Duach. Pobble is a tent. Pobble. Slagán is a shell. Slagán. Slagán trá, a seashell. Slagán trá. Town is a wave. Town. Bhí na townta ag teacht isteach. The waves were washing the beach, or the waves were coming in. Bhí na townta ag teacht isteach. Bhí mé ag brathnú ar na townta ag teacht isteach. I was watching the waves come in. Bhí mé ag brathnú ar na townta ag teacht isteach. Rogha is a warning. Rogha. Ara could be used for a warning as well. Ara. Tor Ara is take care. Tor Ara. Clár Chosán is a boardwalk. Clár Chosán. Mi chorm is uneven. Mi chorm. Tá an talamh mi chorm. The ground is uneven. Tá an talamh mi chorm. Briste is broken. Briste. Not to be confused with briste, which is trousers or pants. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and let me know in the comment section some of your favourite phrases to do with a visit to the beach. Remember, you can subscribe for more great videos just like this, and I'll be back very soon. Slán tamil.